Hello and welcome back to Simplimath. I'm Reshu, your maths teacher. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in mathematics, and here I'm helping you cover every concept, every example, every question from every exercise. So when you subscribe to the channel, you get access to all this knowledge, which will help you prepare for your exams better. In this video, we are covering example 6, and example 6 says, in a shop, the cost of 2 pencils and 3 erasers is rupees 9 and cost of 4 pencils and 6 erasers is rupees 18. So we have to find the cost of each pencil and each eraser. Now in this word problem, we have to find the cost of one pencil and one eraser. So let the cost of one pencil be rupees X and the cost of one eraser be rupees Y, right? So we are given the cost of two pencils and three erasers is rupees 9. Now cost of one pencil is X, so cost of two pencils would be 2x. Cost of one eraser is rupees Y, so cost of three erasers would be 3y. So we are given the cost of two pencils plus three erasers. So 2x plus 3y equals to 9. This is equation 1. And similarly, cost of 4 pencils and 6 erasers is rupees 18. So we get 4x plus 6y equals to 18. And this is our equation number 2. Now we have to find the cost of one pencil and one eraser, that is the value of x and y, using the substitution method. Now this step 1 of substitution method says find the value of one variable in terms of another variable from one of the equations, whichever is convenient. Now let us choose equation number 1 and we find the value of x in terms of y. So what we are going to do is we are going to transfer the term which has the variable y on the RHS. So 2x equals to 9 minus 3y. So what would be the value of x? X would be 9 minus 3y upon 2. So this is equation number 3. Now step 2 of substitution method says substitute the value of x in the other equation and reduce it to the equation of one variable. So we substitute the value of x from equation 3 in equation number 2. So we have x over here, so we can say that 4 into what is the value of x? It is 9 minus 3y by 2 plus 6y equals to 18. So let us solve it. So this get cancelled, we get 2. So we have 18 minus 6y plus 6y equals to 18. Now let us solve the LHS. We get this gets cancelled, so we get 18 equals to 18. Now when you encounter such a situation, we can say that 18 equals to 18 is true for all the values of y. So there is no specific value of y, so we cannot find any specific value of x, because obviously if we were able to find the value of y from and we would have put it over here, we would then get the value of x. But since we cannot find any particular value of y, we cannot find any particular value of x, so such a given pair of equations have infinitely many solutions. And also this is one of the exceptions that we have already studied, that if we get a statement with no variable and the statement is such that the LHS is equal to RHS, then in such a case the given pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Now proving that the given pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions by another method that we have already studied earlier, what are we going to do? From equation 1 and 2, let us convert them into standard form. How? We will take the constant term from the RHS to the LHS. So we get 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Now we find a1 by a2. Now a1 is the coefficient of x in equation 1, so it is 2, and a2 is the coefficient of x in equation 2, which is equals to 4. So we get 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2 equals to, now b1 is the coefficient of y in equation number 1 and b2 is the coefficient of y in equation number 2, which is equals to 6. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Now c1 by c2, Now C1 is the constant term in equation 1, which is equals to minus 9, and C2 is the constant term in equation 2, which is equals to minus 18. So this comes out to be 1 by 2. So from here we get A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C2. Now this happens when the given pair of linear equations are coincident, and coincident means that they have infinitely many solutions. So we had to find, initially we had to find the value of each pencil and each eraser. That means we had to find the value of x and value of y. But we cannot find one particular value of x and y. Why? Because there are infinitely many solutions. So this is how you have to proceed with such questions. If you have any queries, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.